welcome to Owen's kitchen. Today I'm going to make very simple recipe.
This is frittata, an egg-based dish. Good thing is you can add any ingredient you want to, or you can use any leftovers food. Today I'm making big frittata. I'm going to serve this more than 5 people. In here I have 8 eggs. First I'm going to season with some black pepper, some salt. I'm adding 60 ml double cream, 1 teaspoon of corn flour mixed with some little bit of water. Add into the egg mixture. This is optional. Here I got 200 grams of grated cheddar cheese. You can add any cheese you like. I'm adding half into my egg mixture. Rest I will sprinkle on top. Mix them all together, then leave it for 10 minutes. I'm going to add some leeks. This is clean and sliced. In here I got 3 potatoes. I have cut them into slices, then just boil until they begin to soften. Here finely chopped 2 onions, 4 slices of thick cut bacon. You can use any meat or you can do the vegetarian if you like. I like to add fresh parsley, some cherry tomatoes cut in half, add in a little bit of olive oil, some salt and peppers. Then leave them for a few minutes. Now into the pan, add a little bit of olive oil. When oil is hot, add in my sliced potatoes with some salt. Cook them about 5 to 6 minutes or until slightly golden color. This is ready. Into the same pan, add a little bit of more oil. Fry the onion, bacon and leeks till they soften. Just add in some salt and black peppers, not much because bacon and cheese are very salty, but if you like extra, you can always add. This is to your personal taste. Lastly, add in fresh parsley. Just mix everything. This is completely done. Here I have an Ovenproof non-stick pan. Brush a little bit of olive oil. Transfer everything into the pan. Give a quick mix them all. Sprinkle rest of the cheese, then arrange nicely cherry tomatoes. I'm going to bake this at 160 Celsius. This will take about 30 to 40 minutes or until just slightly golden color. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.